What's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem to solve. Before you try to solve it, I want you to make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Math Swap Tutoring YouTube channel, and also make sure you pause this video and attempt the problem before you look at the solution. It's the only way we're going to get real practice going on here. All right, so this says, what fraction of the area of the circle below is shaded in blue? Now, if you look at this here, this is the impulse. Okay, what fraction of the area of the circle below is shaded in blue? Okay, so area. Let me find the area. Area equals pi radius squared. Hold up. There is no radius. How in the world can I find this? This is a tricky problem. Okay. Well, perhaps it is slightly tricky, but the main thing to understand is we don't need to find area for this problem. We don't. This is the key word here. What fraction of the area? So you don't really need to know the numerical value of the area. You just need to know the portion of the area shaded in blue. And the way we're going to find that is by understanding that the portion of the portion of this circle, the area of the circle that's shaded in blue, the angle measures 240 degrees. And remember, it's 240 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. So 240 out of 360 is the fraction of the area represented by the shaded part. So if you find this fraction, if you were to get the area, you could multiply it by that fraction and you would get the part of the area that's shaded in blue. But anyway, we just need the fraction. Hopefully that makes sense. So let's reduce this. Those zeros can go away. And then 24 and 36 can both be divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So we can go further. I guess I could have used, I could have divided both of these by 12. It's okay. Divide the 8 by 4, and that gives you 2. 12 by 4 is 3. So the fraction of the area of the circle that's shaded in blue is 2/3. So again, make sure you look at this and understand that even if they put certain words in there, it doesn't always mean that they're looking for what you think that they're looking for. So let me know if you got it in the comments. And again, make sure you like and subscribe. And then also now I want you to share with somebody else because somebody else needs help with the SAT too. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.